Every time you compress a PDF online, you upload it first. That contract, that resume, that bank statement, it goes to a stranger's server, and you just have to trust they delete it. Most popular PDF sites process your files in their cloud. The file leaves your computer, gets handled somewhere you can't see, and maybe gets wiped afterward. For a lawyer's contract or an HR resume, maybe isn't good enough. There's a cleaner way. MoGuan runs entirely inside your browser. Open MoGuan.com, drop in your PDF, and the compression happens on your own machine. The file never uploads. Nothing is sent to any server. No login, no install, no account. Watch. Open the Compress tool. Choose your PDF. Pick whether to keep the text searchable or rasterize the heavy pages and download. That whole round trip stayed on your device. Merge, split, edit, encrypt. Every classic tool works the same local way. Here's the rule of thumb. If a document is sensitive enough that you'd hesitate to email it, it's sensitive enough that it shouldn't be uploaded just to shrink it either. Keep it local. Links in the description.